Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, gradually increasing your range of motion. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions. Lift your shoulders up, forward, down, and around, refining this movement by relaxing the muscles at the base of your neck. Release and return to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle seated twist variation. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Release and return to center, moving into a forward bend variation. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward, placing your forearms to your thighs, keeping your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and return to center, moving into a lateral stretch variation. Reach your arms overhead, interlace your fingers, and press your palms away. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at the top, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.